How to share your Steam library. Hey guys, what's up? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this video, I'll show you how you can share your Steam game library with your friend. Do you enjoy videos like this? I have other related videos here on the channel. Subscribe to the channel and leave a like. I'm always making videos to help you out. So let's get started. I'm going to open up Steam. Now, the first and most important step is to log in with your friend's account on your computer. Your friend needs to log into Steam on your computer first for the sharing option to appear later. Here's what you do. For example, your friend has logged into your Steam program on your computer. They've signed in, and that's it. Now you're going to log out. If you don't log out, the option to share your library with your friend's login won't appear. So I'm going to log out, click End Session, and confirm. Now I'm going to log into my account that I want to share the library with. I'm logging into my account now. Once you've logged into the account that has the games, you'll come here, click on Steam, and then click on Settings. Settings. In Settings, you'll click on this option called Family and Sharing. You'll enable this to authorize sharing your library. Select this option here. And here, you'll select your friend. Remember, your friend needs to have logged into the Steam app on your computer. Their account will show up here. If they don't log in, their account won't appear. So you'll just click on Share. Under Library Sharing at the top, you can manage the eligible accounts. These are the accounts you're sharing your games with. Click on Manage. Your friend that you just shared your library with will appear down here. You can authorize or revoke their access to your library at any time. Got it? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. I'll wrap it up here. Big hug, God bless, thanks everyone.